You have probably seen this on your feed. AI influencers, fake people but real money. Brands are paying thousands of dollars to use them in ads, but there is no real tool to manage them. So I built one. I'm 16 and this is app 3 of my challenge. My name is Lou. I'm building 12 apps in 12 months using only AI, no traditional coding. App 1 was a startup roster, app 2 was an AI dressing room, and app 3 is the most complex thing I've built so far, and the most frustrating. 3 weeks of work, a full pivot halfway through, and AI tools that were genuinely terrible at time. This is the full story. The idea, the build, the problems, and whether the final product is actually any good. It started on TikTok. I kept seeing these AI influencers, perfect faces, perfect lighting, hundreds of thousands of followers, and brands are already paying to put their product in front of those audiences. And then I saw that trend where people snap their finger and turn into animated characters. And I thought, what if I built a tool that could do that? Generate AI influencer visuals, animate them, and turn them into full-length videos. That was the original idea. An AI video generator for virtual influencers. But here is the thing about building fast. Your idea changes the moment you start building it. The video generation side was too complex. The results were not good enough, and I couldn't find a clear direction that I actually liked. So I pivoted. Instead of building a tool for influencers themselves, I built a marketing tool for brands that want to use virtual influencers in their ads. The problem is real. A brand needs 20 ad variations, 5 different formats, and consistent visuals across a whole campaign. Today, that means expensive photoshoots, real model, and weeks of production. Aura Manager replaces all that. Week 1 was actually the most satisfying. I had a clear vision, or at least I thought I did. I felt myself building the base of the app in 1 hour, the dashboard, the core structure, the main flow. It worked, it looked clean, I was ahead of schedule. Then week 2 happened. Week 2 was rough, not because I had bugs, I actually didn't have that many, but because I had no idea where the app was going. I was still chasing the original idea, the video, the dance, the animation angle, but nothing I built felt right. The AI video was mediocre at best, and the AI I used to code the app was painfully slow. Half the code it generated was garbage. I was spending more time telling it to fix the code it just generated than building the actual app. So I was stuck halfway through a 3-week build with a product that didn't have a clear identity. At some point, I just stopped and asked myself, what problem am I actually solving here? And the answer wasn't help influencers make videos, it was help brands produce content without a photo shoot. That's when I made the call to fully pivot into the marketing angle. Stop building for the influencers themselves, build for the brands behind them. It sounds like a big decision. Honestly, it happened in like an afternoon. Week 3 was about finishing, not perfecting. I polished the UI and tested every single feature. I actually asked AI to run full audits of the app to catch any security bugs and fix UX problems. And right at the end, Google dropped a new image model, Nano Banana 2. Slightly more expensive, but so much better. I switched the entire app over to it. I still have about 250 euros in Google credits, so I can absorb the cost for a while. And then I just shipped the app. Okay, let me show you what it actually does. You start by choosing your virtual influencer, then you describe the scene, a lifestyle shot, a product placement, a specific vibe. The app generates a high quality visual in seconds. No photoshoot, no model, no scheduling. That image would have cost a brand maybe 500 euros to produce traditionally. Once you have visuals, you don't just download and disappear. You organize everything by project, ideas, in progress, validated. If you are running multiple campaigns for multiple products, you need this. Otherwise, it is just chaos in a folder. What used to take a full production day now takes about 2 minutes. Creation studio, campaign manager, batch production. So that's Aura Manager. 3 weeks of building, a pivot halfway through, and an image model that dropped at the perfect time. Honestly, I'm relieved it's out. 3 weeks on a single project is too long for me. I like shipping fast. This one pushed my limits. The app is live right now, link in the description. Go test it, go break it, tell me what's wrong with it. And app 4 is already forming in my head. The first version of the project is almost done. I'm Lou, I'm building 12 apps in 12 months. Subscribe to see how this actually ends.